Here we use PIR motion sensor and buzzer and breadboard and connecting wires and also Arduino IDE board. And PIR sensor contains 3 pins: VCC, output, ground. Ground pin is connected to ground pin, and output pin is connected to the breadboard, and VCC is connected to Arduino 5 volts. And the buzzer is connected, one end is connected to the second pin of the Arduino, and another end is connected to the breadboard. And LED is kept in the breadboard where the detection can be identified. And when the motion is sensed by the PIR motion sensor, the motion sensor will activate the buzzer and the LED will blow. That is the working of the project.
So we'll be using 3 LEDs which will be placed at front of the farm and in our house and in our even in our room or something, which will alert us. So if animals hit or human is also detected, this can be used in any of the households or in even the rural areas. So drawbacks will be the drawbacks of the existing solutions were the electric fence, which a majority of them use. Due to that, there is many harm to animals and humans. So by this project, we can reduce the harm. It does not cause any harm to the animals. It only makes them evacuate from the specific area by causing a sound which irritates them. So our project is beneficial and is eco-friendly and does not harm any animals and can protect the environment.
Start.
We are Team 3 from CSC. Our project idea is animal repellent to develop a device to protect the farms and houses from the animals without harmful the environment and animals. That is used to detect the harmful in the fields and animals also. We use a PI sensor that detect the motion of the animals and it produces sound. Hearing the sound, the animal will escape from the
Existing solutions will be electric fence and using chemicals. These are not effective for the monkeys. These may affect most of the humans. So we have invented this monkey repellent. It uses high shrillness buzzers or ultrasonic buzzers. So by using this PIR motion sensor, it detects the human or animal itself. So it releases the high shrillness buzzers, which can even irritate the monkeys or any other animal which repel the animal.
This project can not only be used for monkeys or a specific type of animal, but can be also used to detect the thieves, which can alert your neighbors when the thief enters. Because it works only on the basis of PIR, it does not sense only the animal but any object with a motion around it. So this project is a multi-purpose project and can be used for a variety of circumstances.
Final conclusion is
1 minute in.
Final conclusion is this project is helpful for the farmers to protect their lives and also for animals. Due to electric fencing, many farmers also died. So this Arduino-based implementation of animal repellent can help them in all situations protecting their farms.
Thank you.
2 minutes అయింది.
ఇంకా 2 minutes, sir.
స్పీక్ మాట్లాడు.
From CSC, our project idea is animal repellent to develop a device to protect the farms from the animals and without harmful the environment and human beings.
And we use in this project component PIR sensor and Arduino Uno we have. Next we need to connect the component together. First we require PIR motor and burner and Arduino and also breadboard. And we need to connect the PIR motion sensor terminals to the Arduino and buzzer. Next we need to connect the buzzer in the sensor on that, and when we operate this and apply the
Hmm?
we will get the output. When motion is detected, the buzzer will give the sound due to the detection of PIR motion sensor. That's it.
The existing solutions are electric sensors, scan detectors, thermal trapping, and noise trackers. So by this, we can easily track the elements of intermittent forms.
Thank you.
Now,